Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Zybio, a ALP chemistry product. This is overall front view. Here we can see the product category chemistry. On the top we can see ALP, Alkaline Phosphatase ALP kit. ALP is the short form of the product name. Alkaline Phosphatase enzymatic method. This kit, reagent 1 30 ml into 3 unit, reagent 2 7.5 ml into 3 unit. The cat number of this product is 01.00.13.EC.01. Here we can see the lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date. One instruction inside this kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. Here we can see the manufacturing address also. Zybio International, manufacturing from Republic of China. So the origin of the kit is China. This is the overall top view of this product. In this side we can see the brand name of Zybio. On the back we can see the product category of chemistry. On this side we can see the brand name of Zybio. This is the overall view of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking we can clearly see the reagents. I am going to take this out. Here we can see the brand name Zybio in instruction manual 01.00.13.EC.01. The reagent 1 30 ml into 3, reagent 2 7.5 ml into 3 for Zybio EXE200 or 220 systems. These are, we can see the intent use, summary, principal, reagent components, storage and stability, system information. These are the contents inside this manual. The next one is a reagent 1. Reagent 1 contains 30 ml into 3. Here we can see Zybio ALP reagent 1 30 ml into 3 units. Here we can see Zybio ALP 7.5 ml into 3 units. So here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Zybio ALP kit. This kit contains reagent 1 30 ml into 3 units, reagent 2 7.5 ml into 3 units with one instruction manual. This is the overall view. Thank you.